Brian Cheung is here tonight live in studio. So, Brian, so many Americans worried about their 401ks. Walk our viewers through what's happening.
Yeah, Tom, it breaks down to three things, some of which are showing signs of cracks in the economy. First, a key measure of inflation rising 2.8%, just a slight rise over last year, but worse than expected. Second, survey data now shows consumer sentiment over the economy dropping for the third month in a row. And finally, it's that growing concern about President Trump's impending tariffs that have investors worried. T-minus 5 days to what could be President Trump's most sweeping and wide-ranging round of trade action yet, reciprocal tariffs, where the U.S. will charge the same tax on goods imported to the U.S. that countries charge on American products sold overseas.
We have Liberation Day, as you know, on April 2nd. I think you're going to have a country that's going to boom.
At nearly the same time, imported cars and auto parts will get slapped with 25% tariffs. The president speaking with Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney today after public clashes over the trade war.
I think things are going to work out very well between Canada and the United States.
Carney calling it a very constructive conversation, but still vowing to slap retaliatory tariffs on the U.S.
Our response to these latest tariffs is to fight, to protect, and to build.
The auto tariffs taking effect next week could add up to $8,000 in cost for even domestic vehicles. Still, the United Auto Workers Union supports President Trump's tariffs. Auto worker Jeff Booth hopes they'll bring back jobs.
Even if it costs a little bit more, you knew you get better quality. When something said made in America, it made you feel proud.
But tonight, a new question. If tariffs drive prices up and inflation remains stubborn, would the Fed look to change course on interest rates as Wall Street and Main Street brace for what's next? Brian Cheung, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.